Hello, my name is Max and you're on the Proxy Seller channel. In this video I will tell you what the proxy server does. A proxy server, or simply a proxy, it is a computer that acts as intermediary between the user and the target server. Using a proxy, firstly, you connect to the proxy server, and then the required resource is requested, which is located on another server. Then the proxy either connects to the specified server and receives the resource from it, or returns the resource directly, connects to the site or recipient and does this through the proxy server. Why is this necessary? There are several options. This is necessary for blocking domains, testing web resources when entering from different IPs, intercepting confidential information, blocking malicious sites and ads, increasing network security by encrypting requests, and more. That is, in simple terms, for multitasking anonymous encrypting work on the network and so that your IP and location cannot be from your own cache. That is, you are preventing the trace of your main IP address. What proxies are and what is their advantage? I'll tell you about the most common ones. A transparent proxy simply intercepts incoming HTTP traffic. The user gets the feeling that he is working on the internet without a proxy server. Anonymous proxy never shares the client's IP address to the target resource. A good option if you do not want targeted ads to follow you or your location. A high anonymity proxy does not transmit an IP address or personal data and does not even identify itself as a proxy. During operation, the IP address changes periodically to ensure maximum confidentiality. A distorting proxy works in the same way as an anonymous proxy, but sends a knowingly false IP address. This approach is used to bypass local connect restrictions. The public proxy is the most insecure and unreliable. They fall off at any time and are vulnerable to hacker attacks. Finding free public proxy lists is not that difficult, but finding a good public proxy is nearly impossible. A private proxy can only be used by one client at a time and is authenticated before use. This is a more reliable version of a public proxy. A private proxy server can be transparent or have high anonymity, like the above ones, such as a resident or data center proxy. My own recommendation is to buy a personal proxy for anonymous network operation. There is a great resource for this, Proxy-Seller.com. Personal proxies with 100% anonymity and around-the-clock support. Now you know what a proxy is and what the thing is for. Feel free to use it. Now I'm saying goodbye to you until the next review. See you soon.